Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. 2-bedroom and unit townhome, freshly painted, new fixtures, new flooring in bathrooms, foyer. Privacy fenced backyard. Centrally located to shopping, dining and main gate of Camp Lejeune in Marsh Oaks. Corner electric fireplace in living room and spacious kitchen with laundry area. Pass-through window between kitchen and living room. Small patio and storage room in backyard. Pet negotiable under 40 pounds. No dangerous breeds mixes. Applicant to verify schools. Acreage and square footage populated from Onslow County tax data.